In this video, we're going to discuss how to rename points for the purpose of doing a network adjustment inside of TBC. Now, it is common practice for some organizations that when they actually use different sensors, such as a total station or a GNSS receiver, to actually have different point ranges for their points. So in this example, I have some GNSS data and I have some total station data, and they have different names. So if I went to adjust, and I'm going to go through that with you right now, survey, and then you head over to the adjustment button and you tap on that, and then you tap on the word adjust, you're going to get the following message that you see here. No redundant measurements were found to perform the network adjustment. Well, that makes perfect sense because the points themselves, they're named differently from each other. So to solve this problem, what we're going to do is we're going to use a simple routine called merge tools or renaming points, but we're going to do it in the fastest way possible. So what we're going to do is select all the points and all the objects. It doesn't really matter. We're going to go to the survey ribbon, and then we're going to head over to the measure points icon. So this one right here, right? When you tap on it, it's going to open up a dialog box. So you can see it says 32 objects are selected. And what we're going to do is we're going to filter based on distance. We're going to say everything within a certain tolerance, deem them as long as they're under that tolerance, that number, they're more than likely the same point. So I'm going to put in a number that I think will work. So I'm going to tap anywhere in the screen, and you'll notice that all of these are actually showing up now. So this is all the points that are common, and you'll see they say 2, 2, 2, and 3. So watch this. I'm going to now, over the point ID, I'm going to expand all, just so you can see all of them. And you'll notice that these are the pairs. And in here, it says I can include these pairs, right? So that means now these two will be joined together. Now, because I'm doing a network adjustment and I'm not holding any of these points as fixed, I can just include all and allow the software to find the most probable position. So I'm going to right click on the top again, and then I'm going to say include all. And you'll notice that every single one of these now are checked. And that's the fastest way to actually go ahead and address the issue. We tap OK, and you'll notice now all of them are merged. And so now we can do our network adjustment. So we go back to our survey ribbon. We go over to our adjust icon at the top. We head back to the constraint, so you can see the screen again, and tap adjust. And now you'll see that we actually have successfully adjusted based on the information here. Now we'll go through another video on weighting expressions, but this is how to do a network adjustment inside of TBC.